In an increasingly competitive market, the growing costs of raw materials, transportation and labor are giving companies a lot of food for thought as they try to maintain healthy margins. Having the ability to maximize product quality while decreasing production costs is crucial. An approach that increases flexibility and agility. Siemens Smart Manufacturing for food and beverage can help. Optimize the performance of capital assets and deliver scale, flexibility and maximum utilization by adopting a more agile manufacturing engineering approach. Adapt your factories rapidly, commissioning new machines into your lines to ensure that your production capacity meets consumers' demand. Quickly reconfigure production and operate flawlessly to meet changing demand. Deploy more flexible and predictable manufacturing to accelerate processes and ensure materials, operations and equipment are scalable to produce products in any lot size while being efficient and profitable. Achieve more optimized, sustainable operations by leveraging IoT, machine learning and analytics to make more informed decisions and manufacture the highest quality products possible. Today, success depends on agility, adaptability, and the capacity to deliver desired products to market in response to the ever-changing demand. Accelerate the food and beverage industry with Siemens Smart Manufacturing.